am very curious to know what everybody around the table thinks of one another.
Who are the biggest risk takers?
I am.
And Jess agrees.
And who is the most outspoken?
I felt like everyone was looking at me for a second. Everyone was like...
Who's the funniest?
I'll take it.
I'll take it. I don't know how, but I'll take it.
Who's the most fashionable?
Oh my gosh. Obvious. He's wearing the whole disco ball on his shoulder.
He's wearing a whole disco ball. Wow.
Who has the best accent?
Give us some.
Give us something. Give us something. Give us something.
You missed it.
Who is the meanest?
It has to be Martin. I mean, we know so much about him now.
I'll just drink to that.
Who drinks the most wine?
Cheers to that.
I think there's a bit of a competition, but I think he wins.
Who's the sexiest?
Opa!
Yeah.
It's the judges!
Bonus point.
Brownie points, I love it.
Right, so this is the last question.
Who is the best cook? Watch My Kitchen Rules South Africa Season 4 to find out. That was me clapping for myself. Well done, Jay.